Welcome to Carey's Carving Canada, the making of the Tiki face. Before and after.
Hi, Stephen, Carey's Carving Canada. We're gonna got a leftover slab from a piece we did the other day. We're gonna try a Tiki god with it. We're gonna use this lump here as our forehead, and we're gonna put our eyes in here, nose. We're gonna try and take our mouth into this little knot off of here. We'll see how that goes. Chains are sharpened. We're using spruce. Sorry, this is pine. Very gummy too. Hard on the saw. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's get some safety stuff on and get at her. Okay, so far we've gone through 2 tanks of fuel, 52 minutes. We've got both saws filled up, ready to go again. We're gonna get this mouth finished. We're gonna put a nice long tongue in it, and then we're gonna work our way back from the top to the bottom and finish some details. Working with pine, very gummy, very sticky, sticks to everything. So let's get her done. Hi, Carey's Carving. Let's get suited up and let's get this piece finished so we can burn it. So the hat and the mask. The hat's important because all that sticky pine gets into your hair and it's really not good. And then the mask is just for all the sawdust, keep it out of your lungs and your nasal passages. It's very helpful. You can pick those up on Amazon. So we're ready to burn and bring some life into this piece. Let's see what we got. So why do we burn our wood? Several reasons. First of all, it looks really nice. We're also, basically, we're drying the wood. We're kiln drying the wood quickly and preserving it.
Thank you for watching the making of the Tiki face video. We hope you like it. If you did, please share our video and subscribe to our channel. And again, as always, thank you for watching.